Hey friends, Andrew here and welcome back to Drew Tutorial. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to share a Google Doc document. Now once you're in that document that you're currently working on, in order to share this, you can do this two quick and easy way. On the upper right hand side, you have the share button. You can simply go ahead and click on share. You also have the option to copy a link if you so desire as well by clicking the drop down. But if you click on share, you will have this pop-up box and you'll be able to share this with whoever you want. So you want to go ahead and enter the email address of someone that you want to share this with. So let's say I want to type in this person name and I'm going to put in the email address. And from here, you want to choose what kind of access you want to give that person. If you want to give that person editor's access or view only or commenter, you can easily choose that and then hit the send button right here once you're done. Now, another way how to easily go ahead, let me go ahead and click off this and cancel it. The other way to do it is by simple go ahead and click file from the menu options here and you have share. Just simply go over and click share with others and you will also get that pop-up where you can easily select the person name or email address that you can find and just simply go ahead and choose the access or the level of rights that you want to give them and just simply click and share. And that's all there is to it. Very easy and very simple, guys.